Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Azure CLI on Windows for cloud automation step by step clearly. To install Microsoft Azure CLI on Windows, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the following URL, azure.microsoft.com/in-/features/command-line-interface. Once the page loads, locate and click on the Install button under the Windows section. This will redirect you to the GitHub releases page for Azure CLI. On this page, find the latest version of Azure CLI for Windows. Click on the installer file named azurecli.msi to begin the download. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click on the azurecli.msi file to start the installation process. A setup wizard will appear. Click Next to proceed. Read and accept the license agreement before clicking Next. Choose the destination folder for the installation or leave it as the default. Click Next to continue the installation process. On the next screen, click Install to begin the installation. When prompted by User Account Control, click Yes to allow the installation. The installation will take a few minutes to complete. Once finished, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. To verify the installation, open the command prompt by searching for CMD in the Start menu. In the command prompt, type AZ version and press Enter. If correctly installed, you will see the version number and other details of Azure CLI. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Microsoft Azure CLI on your Windows machine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.